Hey Songbird, over the years I have shared with you so many videos and tips on how to increase your vocal range. And here I've put together my favorite top 3. I hope you enjoy them. Sing lightly and brightly. If you want to increase your vocal range, the first thing you need to do is to stop singing heavy and loud all the time. Singing heavy and loud all the time causes your vocal cords to get thick and short and close together very tightly. But in order to increase your vocal range and to sing higher, you need to learn to thin out and lengthen your vocal cords. High notes are reached when your vocal cords are flexible enough to stretch and thin out, not when they are super thick. So instead of singing everything in a heavy, loud chest voice, why don't you try and sing it a little more lightly and brightly, feeling the resin of it in the front of your face. In time, you're going to find that you add a few more notes to your range when you start to really lighten off and brighten your singing. Now, a great way to cultivate this sense of lightness and brightness and resonance is to bubble or siren your way through a song like this. So let's try just bubbling over Someone Like You from Adele, and just really, really lightly and gently. Okay? Now another way you can do this is via a siren on an NG. And here is a bonus tip thrown in. Sing the song lightly through a straw. Yes, you heard right. Let me show you what I mean. So on a kind of VW sound, a woo. Seriously, you gotta try this one because it's really quite magical because it will give you so much freedom. Now, if you're a singer who absolutely loves to sing and you really want to learn how to use your voice properly and actually be able to sing for a very long time into your old age, then I really encourage you, go and take my 7-day free trial of the Songbird Vocal Academy. You can actually access all of my online programs and courses, and it's going to really help you and set you in good stead to have good vocal techniques. So I do encourage you to go and check that out. So the first thing is, I need you to actually say for me, whoop, as if, no, actually, not whoop like that, but whoops. So kind of like, oh no, I've spilled coffee all over myself. Oops, you know, or oops, I just bumped into someone or whatever, right? Like you've done something kind of silly or whatever and you're saying whoops, yeah? So just say it with me, whoops, 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 whoops. Get a bit higher, whoops, 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 whoops. Okay? Now we're going to do the exercise. So it goes like this, whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, and it's really, really bouncy, and it's also not very sung. So you're not trying to make it sound really pretty, like, you're not going whoop, 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 whoop. You're going whoop, 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 whoop. It's fast, it's bouncy, it's spoken. Yeah, okay, so that's what actually helps you to mix the tone, because it's actually using your speaking voice, but you're going to go pretty high, so you're going to actually also use your head voice, and together they will become a mix. But it's all about speaking it out and just really letting it bounce out, okay? If you try too hard to sing it, it's going to feel strained. If you actually speak it out really quickly and just let it bounce out, it's going to be super easy. It's going to help you go, really high through your range, and you're really going to develop, just some great space at the back of your throat in order to be able to get those high notes. So let's do a few together. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. So I want us to work on increasing our vocal range on the low notes, okay? And one of the best exercises to do this is a ho, ho, okay? So think about Santa Claus. Oh, ho, 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 okay? Yeah? Can everybody just pretend to be Santa Claus for a couple of minutes here with me? Ready? And ho, 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 ho. Good. Now I want you to pretend to be Santa Claus that's a bit tired. So Santa Claus has just woken up in the morning. He's actually feeling a bit tired.
ho, ho, ho. It's a bit yawny, ho. Okay? Now, when you do that, you should feel a sense of your larynx or your voice box actually move down. Now, this is what we actually need if we want to increase our low note range. Okay? We need flexibility in the larynx to move down in order to create those lower notes, okay? Because our instrument actually needs to get bigger in order to sing those bassy tones. And moving the larynx down actually does that. So this is the exercise here. We're going to go ho, 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 ho. Okay, as you can hear, there's a little bit of like a tiredness and a yawny feeling in there. And I am being Santa Claus. I should actually try and be a bit more Santa-like. So ho, 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 ho. All right, girls there, guys there, and we're just gonna go as low as we can go. All right, here we go. And ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Feel the larynx drop there. Ho, 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 ho. Remember, Santa Claus is a little bit tired today. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Keep going. Ho, 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 ho. Just make Santa Claus is really tired. Ho, 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 ho. Maybe even a bit sad. Ho, 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 ho.
If you liked this video, Songbird, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. It's going to really help other songbirds just like you find this video and learn to increase their vocal range as well. Now, if you would like even more extensive help on increasing your vocal range, please go and click on this video here. You're absolutely going to love the content in there. And if you want to go deeper with your vocal technique and really become the singer that you've always wanted to be, please go to my website and check out my online courses and programs. I will see you there.